Okay, I'm going to start with how important ROPS is for compact farm tractors. ROPS, which stands for Rollover Protective Structures, is a safety frame for a tractor designed to protect the operator in the event the tractor rolls over. This is especially important for tractors used in small farms and orchards and on hilly or uneven terrains. The ROPS creates a survival space for the operator in the event of a rollover. This reduces the likelihood of injury or death. It is important to buy tractors that have ROPS. It is the law in many countries. Also, the operator feels better and works more efficiently and productively when she feels safe. And also, the tractor will be easier to sell if it has ROPS. But how do ROPS and seatbelts work together to provide the ultimate in safety? ROPS work best when used in conjunction with a seatbelt. The seatbelt keeps the operator inside the protective zone created by the ROPS. Without a seatbelt, an operator can be thrown out of the ROPS and hurt during a rollover. Combining the use of ROPS with the use of a seatbelt reduces the likelihood of serious injury or death in the event of a rollover. It is very important that you educate your operators in the necessity of using the ROPS and seatbelt together. Doing so may save her life and will improve the overall safety of the job. What other benefits are provided by a ROPS? A ROPS will also provide protection from falling objects. This is especially important when you are operating under tree canopies or in areas where there is a risk of other objects falling from above. Also, the ROPS provides an integral part of the tractor's overall structural strength and will help protect the tractor from a number of other hazards. So, a ROPS doesn't just protect the operator in the event of a rollover, it also helps protect her from a number of other hazards. This is good because it provides an additional level of operator protection, and it is good because it helps to protect the tractor itself. What should you look for in the design and installation of a ROPS? You should look for a ROPS that fits your tractor model and that does not interfere with the operation or comfort of your tractor. You should look for a ROPS that is installed properly and by qualified professionals. Finally, you should have your ROPS checked from time to time to make sure it is still in one piece. Properly designed ROPS, installed properly and checked from time to time for damage or wear, will add significantly to the safety and operational reliability of your tractor. This will also add to the market value of your tractor. So, I guess the bottom line is that you need ROPS for compact tractors. ROPS will make your tractor safer and help you comply with the law. If you buy tractors with it and then educate your operators, you will have more confidence and you will be able to sell more tractors. Be safe and compliant. Buy tractors with ROPS.